Hi children, good morning. I hope everyone's safe and fine at home. Today, let us start lesson number 1 Geography. Take page number 112. The topic of the lesson is our environment. Without environment, children, the condition is not good on the earth to live. Okay, all the living organisms like plant and animal make up our environment. Environment, this word comes from the French word environner. Environner means surround. Everything surround us. Known as what? Known as environment. Okay, human made things and natural things, here we can say it as which one? Environment. Okay, and then the components of environment classified into two categories. First one is natural environment, another one is human made environment. The natural environment given to us by our mother earth. Okay, and human made environment means the thing made by men like car, books, houses. Okay, what are the things made by men are known as human made environment. Let us see about natural environment, children. All gifts of nature such as land, water, plant, animals, everything given to us by nature, isn't it? Then it includes two components. One is abiotic component, another one is biotic components. Okay, living things such as plants, animals, okay, those are known as biotic components. Then non-living things like land, air, rock, light, water, mineral. These non-living things are also known as what? Abiotic component. Okay, so natural environment has two components. One is biotic, another one is abiotic. Let us see about the next topic, children. The next topic is four domains of the environment. Four domains of the natural environment. What are the four domains? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Okay, lithosphere means land. Hydrosphere means water. Atmosphere means air. Okay, keep this in your mind. Let us see about the first domain, the lithosphere. What is the lithosphere? The outermost solid layer of the earth consisting of soil and rock is called a lithosphere. The outermost solid layer of the earth which consists soil and rock. This is known as lithosphere. Okay, lithosphere means rocky crust. What is meaning for the word lithosphere? Rocky crust. Then we need to see about the average thickness of the lithosphere. The average thickness of the lithosphere is 100 kilometer. What is the thickness of the lithosphere? 100 kilometer. The oceanic crust means the ocean floor, it is about 8 kilometer. Okay, the ocean floor is about how many kilometers? 8 kilometers. Then the continents, it exists about how many kilometers? 32 kilometers. The continents exist about how many kilometers? 32 kilometers. The ocean flows about 8 kilometers. The continents kilometer about how many kilometers? 32 kilometers. Okay, mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, rivers, and oceans. These are all nothing but what, children? These are all our lithosphere. This lithosphere, it provides land for building houses, factories, schools, roads, and etc. We can get minerals from the lithosphere. Then let us see about hydrosphere, children. Hydrosphere is the part of the earth's surface which is covered by water. The hydrosphere is the total amount of water found on the earth. Okay, we can find water from where? From oceans, seas, lakes, river, glacier, groundwater, isn't it? Then our earth, our mother earth, it covers 71 percentage of water. 71 percentage of water. The remaining part we know. Those are lands, isn't it? 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So we can say our mother earth as what? As water planet, as watery planet. Water used in various ways. Water used in agriculture, water used in industries, water used to make electricity. Okay, then we can use water for transportation too, isn't it? If you need to take goods from one place to another place, for example, if you need to take goods from India to London, nowadays exporting goods and importing goods, they are making through which one? Through ships, isn't it, children? Next, let us see about the third domain, the atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Yes, the blanket of air that envelops the earth is called the atmosphere. See here, the atmosphere is the blanket of gases which surrounds earth. It is held near the surface of the planet by Earth's gravitational attraction. Without the atmosphere, there could be no life on Earth. Okay, the atmosphere, it keeps the climate on Earth moderate compared to other planets. Okay, this atmosphere protects us from harmful rays from the sun. So we can say this as blanket of Earth. Without atmosphere, children, our earth, it would be barren, that is, it would be empty like other planets. Okay, so here we can live safely because of which one? Because of the atmosphere. It protects us from harmful rays from the sun. Okay, next let us see about the composition of air. See the picture here. Here 78% we have nitrogen. 78% we have nitrogen and we have 21 percentage of oxygen and the rest 1 percentage is mixture of argon, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other dust and smoke particles. Okay, so see once again, 78 percentage of nitrogen, 21 percentage of oxygen and the rest 1 percentage is nothing but the mixtures of other gases. Next, let us see about biosphere. Kindly see, children, the narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other. That is known as what? That is known as biosphere. See once again, the interaction of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, that is known as biosphere. Okay, the word biosphere, it comes from the Greek word bios, which means life, and from the Latin word, the word spera, which means the total range, Okay, living beings from microorganism uh, to human beings, live here because of which way? Because of this biosphere. Okay, the great variety of life on the earth is called biological diversity or biodiversity. That means the great variety of life means what? So many living things living in the world, isn't it? From a parasite, animals, birds, human beings, fish, trees, all the living things are known as variety of life living in the mother earth. It is known as what? Biological diversity or biodiversity. Let us recall what we have seen today, children. First of all, we have seen about environment. Environment, we have two classification. One is natural environment, another one is human-made environment. Then in natural environment, we have two components. One is abiotic component. Those are non-living things. Then biotic components are living things. These are the two components of natural environment. Then we saw about four domains of the earth. Those are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere is the outermost solid layer of the earth. Okay, plains, valleys, mountains or comes under which one? Or come under lithosphere. Then hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is nothing but water. The part of the earth's surface is covered by water. That is hydrosphere. 71% of the earth is covered with water. So we can say our mother earth as watery planet. Okay, without water we can't do anything in the earth. Then we saw about atmosphere. The blanket of the earth that covers the earth is called as atmosphere. This atmosphere protects us from harmful rays of the sun. It has 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and other gases. It has 1%. Then we saw about biosphere, the narrow zone of the earth where lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere interact with each other to support life in the earth is called biosphere. So for today's session, children, kindly take a book and read page number 112, 113, and 114 first para alone. Okay, I will ask question in the upcoming session. Thank you, children. Be safe at home.